Back on the road again. We just left Spacious Skies in Savannah Oaks campground. Tilda, what's your verdict?
It was really nice, very chill, really great campground, honestly. Got a pool, got the docks, we saw a gator while we were there. Pretty cool.
Heading to Jekyll finally.
Yep.
Seems like we've been trying to get there for so long.
Yep.
And now we're finally going, so I'll let you know when we get there.
Here we go.
Talk to some people about moving their vehicle out of our spot so we can get settled up. Then we can go ride around the island with our bikes, check out the whole campground.
Alright. Hop out. Give me some direction here, Tilda.
Okay. You got it. You can keep it a little bit further. You're good. Yeah.
Good. Sweet.
How do you think about the campground so far?
I'm excited.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's really peaceful and beautiful.
Yep. The island looks really pretty too.
I know, I'm really excited.
A lot of bikers too. That's exciting.
Yeah.
See people actually doing outdoor things.
Oh no, you're fine. that was honestly one of the easiest ones I've had back there. We're all set up.
Ta-da!
We finally made it to Jekyll.
We did.
All set up.
Here we are, enjoying coffee.
Got a little decaf coffee and a muffin. Life is good.
Fighting the cold. I don't know
We're
if
all,
I'm
all still a little sick. Colette might be coming down with it.
I'm just trying to...
Not giving in fully, but...
I'm just like ignoring it.
Tilda's reveling in the fact that we have sewage this time. Full hookup.
Yep. Man, full hookup, that's the way to go. You feel like you're really living when you have full hookups.
We'll take a little bike ride around in a little bit. I'm gonna finish my coffee first though.
Yeah, smart.
Strong, crazy beds on me. Back mid-scroll, Armageddon arcade. Walking the wild. Don't know why.
Getting a look at the sunset over here. Campground's not far from Horton House ruins. It's really fun to go see. I like being there. The little cemetery. Heading out to go mail a few packages at the little shops at the little post office in town. And maybe, I don't know, have we had too much coffee already? There's actually a really good coffee shop over there. We'll show you.
Yeah.
This is the coffee shop we found in St. Simon's last year, or I guess the year before, Wake Up Coffee Co. It's actually pretty good. Is it on?
Yeah.
We're currently making breakfast in the camper, which I don't normally prefer to do. I like to do it outside. The mosquitoes have been so wicked bad the last few days that it's not an option to be out there unless you coat yourself in bug spray. That only goes so far. I feel like the mosquitoes just stop caring about the bug spray after a very short amount of time, so we are a little bit trapped inside here at the campground. It's like if you go out to the beach, you're fine, but if you're in your campground, everyone has to hide from them. You have to hide from them, right? Like, they've been wicked.
All right, Georgie. Leaving Jekyll.
Yeah.
What's our honest review here?
Very mosquito-y.
Very mosquito-y.
Yeah.
Yeah. The first day, 2 days, it wasn't bad. Like, the first day was great. I don't think I saw a single mosquito the first day. But the second day, I think they kind of started coming in from wherever. I'm not really sure. And then by the third day, we pretty much were just stuck in our camper unless we were at the beach or on our bikes. You had to be moving at a decent pace, otherwise there'd be like 5 or 6 of them on you in a second, and they're big old suckers and very painful. So we're on the road. We are headed to Holt, Florida, which is kind of near like Pensacola-ish tonight, for just a quick overnight stay. Excited?
Yeah.
Yep. Excited to be leaving the Georgia coastline.
Yeah. And also
Yep.
exploring places that I've never been.
Yeah, I'm not, like, Georgia's never been into the panhandle of Florida at all. And so, yeah, I mean, I don't know how much exploring, but we'll be passing through and seeing different scenery today, yeah?
Yeah.
Nice to be back on the road. We've been stationary for like 5 days now, I think.
Oh, yeah.
So we had a pretty long stay here. Got a lot of organizational things accomplished in the camper, which was nice. Finally got some internet for the camper, which is also nice. So we're gonna grab some coffee and hit the road.